was probably the toughest budget yet for PM Modi and his government, as it navigates the twin challenges of ensuring more resources to fight the century's worst pandemic, while steering the $2.7 trillion Indian economy out of an unprecedented recession. On February 1st, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget announcements have found these to be the winners and losers. Hospitals. Sitharaman prompted to boost healthcare spending by 137% this year, an improvement over the less than 2% of gross domestic product that India has traditionally spent on health annually. Real estate and construction. Real estate developers are set to benefit from plans for a new development finance institution to meet funding requirements for infrastructure projects. Metal makers. The announcement of an additional 11,000 km of highways and metros, along with the rapid rail transport projects for 27 cities, and a long-awaited vehicle scrappage policy boosted stocks of metal companies. This will cater to added demand for steel and aluminium. State-run banks. The government announced it was forming an asset management company to take over stressed assets of banks in an effort to clean up the pile of bad loans. Banks, insurers rose on plans for setting up a bad debt manager. Textiles. Sitharaman announced the establishment of 7 mega textile parks to be launched in 3 years in an aim to boost the sector. Bonds. A higher than expected $164 billion borrowing plan for the new fiscal year hit India's sovereign bonds, which slid after the announcement. The government also plans to raise another 800 billion rupees by this fiscal year, on top of its projection of record 13.1 trillion rupees of debt sales. Exporters. India raised import tariffs on solar and mobile phone equipments and auto parts, among others. Farmers and rural India. The farm sector received attention, but there were no major announcements that addressed the ongoing unrest on Delhi's borders, where thousands are protesting for the repeal of the new agri laws. There were also no significant announcements on boosting consumption in the rural economy. The budget estimate for expenditure on the rural job schemes was 730 billion rupees for the financial year 2022 as compared to the 1.1 trillion expenditure in the revised estimate for financial year 2021. IT firms. There were no announcements to boost the future of IT from Sitharaman this year for companies including TCS Limited, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, along with mid-sized firms like the LTI, Mindtree, Persistent and Hexaware.